Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing an entry into my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge, and this entry is from V Wills Designs. Thank you so much for sending me an entry. I didn't see my channel tagged for anything on YouTube or on Instagram, so if you're a follower of mine and you've posted something, please put a little message in the comments down below so I make sure you get that extra entry. And let's take a look and see what we've got inside. Okay, let's see. This looks like our note. Look at how cute that card is. So cute. Thank you so much for that cute note, V. Look at how pretty this is. Let's see, V Wills Design. All right, the first project that we have is this, this really pretty project here. Very nicely put together. It's like one of the matchbook flips, and oh, there's goodies on the inside, and then it flips again. Wow, that is so unique. What a great design this is. You can probably add photos and pictures to these. Very cool. This is a wonderful project. Very nice. That's a great design. And inside, she has shared these very pretty flower stickers. Some of these note cards. Oh, I love that pattern. It's very pretty. And oh, it has like a little envelope. How cute is that? And this one as well. These are so cute. I love these little ones because I like to make flat mail, and these fit perfectly inside other cards. And then she has shared these very beautiful tags with me. Very nice. A very beautiful saying right there, a Bible verse. So nice. And in this baggie we have some awesome tags. These are amazing. These are so cool. I love tags like this. They're so fun. Very, very beautiful. And then let's take a look at this baggie. And we have these very cute, these look like bookmarks. Look at that bee ribbon. And these really pretty butterflies, and it has a little pocket back here. So cute. And then we have these really pretty flowers on this one. Look at how pretty that paper is. So nice. Thank you so much, V, for your wonderful entry. And I just want to take another look. I don't know if I had the camera zoomed out enough to show like what an amazing design this project is. So it has like a little tie that like with a little brad, and when you open it, she has like this pocket with the gusset side to put goodies in, and then it flips and it has tuck spots for journaling or for photos. And then on this side, same thing, you can journal and add photos, and then it opens again and it has even more tuck spots with wonderful just plain cardstock for you to make your own projects and journaling on. And then the same with this side. Such a great design on that. Wonderful. V, thank you so much for all of your beautiful projects and the design and your very nice card that you sent. I appreciate your entry so much. And let me go ahead, get you a ticket. Now, if you follow me, I see this note in here that was in the baggie with these two for Luella Angel. Is this an entry that you sent in for someone? If you could please let me know. That way I can put an entry in for them as well. So for right now, I'm going to do your one entry for yours, and then you let me know about this one. And here's your ticket right here. And it's going right into the jug. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by. There's still time to enter my challenge, Anything Goes Paper Crafting Challenge giveaway. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.